Good morning, everyone. This is God's Meditations, and this video is going to be about my morning herb drink that I make. So this video is going to be about my morning herb mix drink, and what I use sometimes is, I don't do this, well, I do it mostly every day, but sometimes I'll take a break. But anyway, I use burdock root, dandelion root, and sarsaparilla, which is like the king of herbs for iron. If you want iron, get sarsaparilla. I usually go to this herb store that I go to in my neighborhood, in my area in California. If you live in California and you want to go to a herb place, go to New Body Herbs in Compton. If you're in that area. So anyway, this is, and then I use also soursop, which is really good. So I just pretty much, go in here and get a little bit, put it in my, and this is lemon water. Well, it's key lime water actually. So yeah, this is what I do. In the mornings. You don't need a lot, just put a little bit in. Burdock root. And then I got another bag of sarsaparilla in here. Then use the sarsaparilla. Put it in there. So yeah, so sarsaparilla, burdock root, soursop. I think, did I put some in here? I'll put a little bit more dandelion root. Now these herbs are really good because they cleanse the blood, they cleanse your system. Burdock root cleanses your blood. Sarsaparilla is very powerful because it's the highest form of iron. And what the iron does is it attracts the other herbs and helps absorb the other herbs in your system. So yeah, and burdock root has it's a blood purifier, and it has a lot of minerals, iron, magnesium, potassium, a lot of minerals. I'm gonna make another video on breaking down the benefits of these different herbs, so you can get understanding of what these herbs do in your body. But yeah, this is my morning herb drink, and I just shake it up and drink it. And there it is. It's like a tea. It's like a herb tea, pretty much. And I actually heated the water up, made it warm, so all the herbs can mix in well. So I mixed it up. So it's all mixed up in there, and that's it. It's like a herb tea, like a herbal mixture. And there you have it. All right, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. If you like this content, appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace, love, and positive vibrations.